then I'd like to introduce what this kind of the competition using slide before starting today's competition. Yo, slide show.
WRS の画面映ってます。ずっと最初の画面映ってない。
いやいや、もう今変える。Okay, hi, sorry for waiting. And I will continue to explain the task of the today's competition. But today we are organizing the task named Interactive Customer Service because this competition aims to realize you cannot hear my sound. YouTube audience, can you hear my slide? Audios? I believe my microphone is turned on, then you can hear my sound, I think. What do you think? Is it okay? Can you hear? Okay. I will continue. This competition aims to realize the service robots which work in the convenience store, and today's task named Interactive Customer Service. This task focusing on the intelligent conversation processing, like a natural language processing. But not only natural language conversation, but very vague dialogue generated by the customer. The robot have to hear such a vague and uncertain request from the customers and deal with the ambiguous request, which is generated by both of natural language and image presentations. So customer request using both of the language and image. So robot have to receive the both of language and image and presentations by the pictures or image and understand the aim and the intent of the customer. So for example, the one of the example is very vague, like please bring me some tea. But some tea means very vague. So it might be oolong tea or green tea or black tea. Then the robot have to consider such a several candidates and make a suitable and friendly question to the customer using yes/no question, closed question. Then the customer can answer to the robot question using the two questions, yes or no. And another option is not only using the natural language, but showing some picture like this. This figure shows the customer showing the some picture or real object, but this is the chewing gum, but I like to get a different flavor, different taste. Such a kind of using vague and vague expression and the figure, which is not the real target. So, using such a vague interaction, the participant have to generate the suitable response and question to customer. And in this task, I will be act as a customer, then receive the question from the robots and answer using the yes/no question. Okay? はい。So, よいしょ。Okay. So the first team is triangulars from Osaka Institute of Technology, Japan. Then this task has 20 sessions. Then one session consists of about 3 minutes, so 1 hour competition. Okay? So just I'd like to switch to the competition screen. よっしゃ。はい。Is it okay to operate? Which one? どれ叩けばいいですか？
もうロスが上がってるの。
ちょっとそこごめん、オペレートしてください。
ロスが OK ですか？ OK です。はい。じゃあ、いけます。
はい。じゃあ、please start the competition systems. はい。You can see, can you see the screen of the competition system? Okay. So, then this screen shows the cyberspace convenience store and the customer's intent is to get such a biscuit and the robot is now made a question, would you like Bisco 3000? I don't know the meaning of this 3000, but I might be yes, like this is Bisco. Biscuit is my request, but the robot suggestion is Bisco. Then I push the yes, maybe. I don't know the meaning of the BISCO, but it is the name of this product. And I don't know the meaning of this 3000 or 0 or some name or ID. So what does this 3000 mean? Do you know the meaning?
I don't know, but there is the same name in GitHub. So we use the same. Oh, that's cool.
Turn on the switch. Okay. Okay, then the first session succeeded. Then the second task is started. The second task is customer send a message, please give me spicy curry roux. Then the robot made answer, would you like Vermont curry 2 kara? 2 kara?
2から
2 kara.
2 is middle spice.
I don't know. Yeah, but this is not my question. So I push no because this is not my intent. My intent is showing on the bottom right side. Then this is not the Vermont curry, so I push no. Right. Then the robot receive my answer no. Then think about the next action. Then the second sentence generated by the robot is, would you like golden curry 2 kara instead? Golden curry. So it is not also the right thing. I intend the curry roux showing at the bottom right, but this is a product of, I guess, the 7-Eleven. So not golden curry. Then I push no. The third question by robot. Would you like 7 kokuto negari 2 kara then? I don't kokuto I guess コクと旨味 curry in Japanese is my intent, so I push yes. Is it meaning that コク Hi, okay. I guess. I have to guess the meaning of the robot's intent, but I push yes. Then the robot is now going to get the product I intend. Then actually the robot succeeded to get the right intended product, a wrong object. I will check again after the session. So please give me this chewing gum, specifically the one in the blue color. So I means the customer showing the purple product, but I aim to get the blue one. The robot's suggestion is, would you like mintia yogurt? Mintia yogurt. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think the mintia is not. The purple one showing the screen is just the example. Would you like the Lotte I aim to get the blue chewing gum showing at the bottom right. But the robot suggestion is different, so I push no. Would you like Kishirito fleshment? Fleshment. Yeah, fleshment. Right? Fleshment. Then I push yes. So the meaning of this task is to generate a very friendly and easy to understand. Now the robot is now getting the different chewing gum. I think this is not Kisurito fleshman. So I answer to the robot, yes, I like to get the Kisurito fleshman chewing gum, but the robot, I don't know why the robot got the different product, right? Okay. So I'd like to ask why the robot failed to generate such a strange questions after the session, or but time limitation. I have to use the time, so I would like to progress the next session. The tish box with picture of dogs on it. So my bottom up. The generation of the robot. Would you like tish? Hoshitsu 10,000 with picture of dog on it. Hoshitsu 100. Yeah, my honest answer is I don't know the Hoshitsu or 1,000. But the picture of dogs on it. So I don't know the name of the product. So I push yes. It is my subjective understanding because I cannot understand the 1,000 or Hoshitsu from the viewpoint of the public people. If I'm not the Japanese, I cannot understand Hoshitsu right here. So this is also very important to generate the friendly instruction. And this time the robot got the some tish box, but I think no picture drawn on the tish box. I intend the tish box with dog picture. Do you have any comments?
Yeah. We are using ChatGPT, but there is some lag between mapping to ChatGPT and the real product code. So there is the mapping lag.
I see. Okay. So this time I intend to get the bottom water, but the robot suggestion is green tea, so I push no. I don't like green tea, but water. Hi, then the next sentence is, would you like Irohasu 3000 then? I understand, and I guess the Airosu is Irohasu. Irohasu is one of the name of the product of the bottle of water. Then I push yes, but I don't know the meaning of 3000. what the 3000 means. I guess that is one of the idea of the product. So 3000 is the right or not? The judgment is right. The task completed. Then okay, the next is some snack, chocolate snack, or Japanese sweet. Then my question using the chocolate in a hexagonal package, a very unique shape, unique package. Would you like almond chocolate? But I don't think my intent is not the almond. Then I push no. Then the next question from the robot is, would you like white chocolate then? Yeah, no, I think this is not the white chocolate. A chocolate snack. So I push no. Okay, hi, the third question from the robot is, would you like macadamia chocolate? Yeah, it's also different. My intent is not macadamia. So I also push no. So many questions from the robot is generated, but this is also not my intent. So the number of questions generated by the robot depends on the score. Of course, so many questions reduce the score. Would you like the pie then? Pie, no. So if the number of questions from the robot exceed 5 questions, unfortunately in the same session the robot cannot get the score. Would you like a cake and millefeuille instead? Cake and millefeuille, no. Of course, this is a little bit redundant, not redundant, little bit, very redundant conversation. So in this session, I think the point score will be awarded to the robot. Would you like a last then? No. Then I think the robot is just repeating all the candidates. Is it your intent? It is your intent. So this is not friendly and smart conversation. Then as shown in the screen, the score is now -3 because the number of questions is too much. Assistant, would you like a cookie and stick then? Well, I cannot understand the meaning. It might be a little bit software bags. So I push more no. Would you like a cookie and stick then? No. I should repeat. And each session has 3 minutes. Then unfortunately so many questions, so many compositions, then time up at the last session. So the system going to the next session. Then my intent is get the instant noodle similar to the red one, but the taste is different. The udon version. The red instant noodle is soba type, but the customer's intent is udon type. Then robot is now considered to generate what kind of expression is the friendly sentence, friendly expression to the customer. But the robot is now stopping and no question generated by the robot, and the customer is now just waiting for the robot response. So I heard the software of the robot is stopped. Then they gave up this session. Then skip to the next session. Okay, so just wait a moment. The system is now relaunched from the next session. Of course, the
今7失敗したんですよね。
7ですね。
7
じゃあはい
ごめんなゼロ。
ゼロです。
開業して。1回だけ開業して。
これですか。
いやいやいや
あ、開業か。
そこでいいそれでいい。
はい。これです。で、これ
1、2、3、4、
3、4、6、7。だから次8。はい。
okay, so just wait a moment. The system is relaunched now.
多ければ。
今7回。
次8からです。
The seventh session among 20 session was performed. So next session will restart from 8th session. We are now waiting for the restart of the participant software.
OK ですか。はい。じゃあ始めます。
Hi. Please start the cyberspace system. Then let's start from the 8th session. The intent is the hand soap. So a bottle of soap, the customer intent. Then robot is now making right question. Would you like our violet? Our violet 3000? Our violet. Violet. Our. I don't know the meaning of our because that might be Japanese. So I guess Violet. Violet is the name of the product. Then I guess from the viewpoint of the general public, this is very vague question from the robots. Then this time the product got by the robot is the same as the customer's intent, right? So this screen shows the both of the robot intent and user's intent. The right bottom is the user's intent and the left bottom is the robot intent. So next request is please give me the seafood noodle. Well, just showing the same product and the robot just got into the getting the same product. This is the right response. Would you like cup noodle seafood? Yeah, yes. No, this is a repetition of my question. Yes, hi. But as the convenience store has so many products, and seafood taste cup noodle has a different product made by different companies. Like 7-Eleven is one of the maker, but the another Japanese company provide the same seafood taste cup noodle. So this question is also vague. It cannot identify the identical product. So from the viewpoint of the public general, this question is not the suitable and friendly question. It also contains vague and uncertainty. Then the user system has a software problem.
リスタートするんで
はい
落とします。
I heard the software of the robot has a problem. Then
基本ゼロから全部いいです。はい。
this session is
で開業。
should be skipped.
で次10からはい。
Please tell us when your system is ready.
課題見なくていいの。
あ、もうネット繋がんないからもう。 Wi-Fi は
紙あります。持ってくる。
はい、じゃあ始めます。
ありがたい。Okay, じゃあ let's restart from the next session. Next session is 10th session. Hi, as shown in the screen, the customer showing the picture not in front of the product but the back side and showing, please give me this one. The organizer already, okay, there is a question from the robot. Would you like me to bring to you a specific product? No, I cannot understand. But this is not question. I don't know, but the robot requested the question. Would you like me to bring? Yeah, I'm customer. I never bring you. You should bring. So, no, I don't know. I push. I don't know. I cannot understand what you are saying.
でもこれしかないやつ。
あ、まあこれだけでもはい。Would you like me suggest? There is no response from the robots. So I'm now waiting for the response from the robots. I guess this is a problem and software bags of the participant robot software. The robot request to the customers. Would you like me to suggest a product for you? Yeah. Well, I cannot understand what you are saying. So I think now the robot is
新しい機種。
ディスコードからもらってるメッセージに行けば開けてドミンでちょっとこれで
何を見たいですか。
これの Google So the triangles, what do you understand what is now going on?
これ言われちゃった。そうや。
違う、Google ドライブでお願いしますよ。Okay, then software is stopped. Then we will restart from the next session.
始めます。
Okay, the next session start. Hi, the next session is 11th session, and intent is the Tabasco spicy seasoning, and the customer showing the screen of the Amazon, showing the screenshot of the smartphone, then aiming to get the product. The robot question, do you mean a similar product to the chocolate product? What? I can't. Yeah, no, not chocolate. My intent is requesting Tabasco seasoning. ありがとう。Would you like a similar product to the Tabasco pepper sauce? Garlic 5 once more. I cannot understand the latter part of the expression, but Tabasco, yes, mama. would you like a similar product to Tabasco? Yes, Tabasco. Hi. I think the participant software send the image of the Amazon to the GPT or OpenAI and got the text like a Tabasco. I pushed yes, I believe. What? No response?
Loading.
I believe I pushed the yes button.
We use Google Lens for image recognition,
Mhm.
but now the mapping
Hmm.
for the Google Lens information and the database product code. So it takes a time.
So I think the robot software is also facing through to some problems. I answered yes to the robot.
This
じゃあリスタートします
Okay. Now this session is also the robot face to some software bags I heard. So the next session is 12th session.
彼の音小さくない？マイクの音が入ってる。
これで拾う感じかな。ちょっと、そうね。中継中でございます。So the next session
はいじゃあ始めます
can start, okay? Hi. The next session, the request from the customer is to get some candy. But the flavor is grape flavored candy. This is the customer's request. But as you may know, the convenience store has so many products. Chupa Chaps, grape 1000. I cannot understand the meaning of the number 1000, but the grape is my request, so I push yes. And now this time the robot start to get the product named, I guess, the Chupa Chaps grape. Then, this seems to be right. Then the robot got the point. Yes. Okay. But this is not so complicated, right? So next session, the request from the customer is please give me a refill pack of toilet cleaner. Refill pack. So the right image, right bottom image is the intent. Would you like toilet magic clean? Tsumekae? I can understand the Japanese phrase because I'm Japanese, but from the viewpoint of public, I cannot understand. Toilet magic clean. I guess maybe is my answer, but this time I have to answer yes or no, so I push yes this time. Okay, the robot is now getting the product. Because I use the refill pack, but there is another type of the product, not the refill type, but the bottle of cleaner. But the robot now understand it and distinguish between the bottle and refill time. So this time, this is a unique question. The customer showing display the leaflet of the product of the some convenience store. Please get the item at the bottom right corner of this flyer. Bottom right. So the robot have to understand the meaning of the bottom right. Would you like the item Imaru Ashu refresh? I don't know. Imaru Ashu refresh. I don't know. I don't know is my answer. I cannot understand the question from the robots. What does the meaning Imaru? Can you understand the meaning of the sentence generated by the robots?
Maybe Imar is the product name. Imar is the brand of.
I see.
Yeah.
But this is not my request, and it's also not a snack, because as you can see in the flyer of the right corner of the bottom, the hand cream, the health cream is the main item, so not drink. So I think the robot is now confusing which product is the target in this flyer. The 9 product is displayed on the flyer, but the robot have to understand what the bottom right corner is. Would you like a seasoning item? No. So this is a little bit difficult from the simple question. I'm sorry for the confusion. Let's try again. Would you like a slow frozen item? Yeah, no. I want to get the hand cream. No. But apologize from the robot is coming, so it might be natural. Would you like a candy item instead? No. So this time, so many questions were generated by the robots. So this session, the robot unfortunately cannot get the score, I think. I apologize for the confusion. Thank you for your apologize. Let's try again. Would you like a chocolate? No chocolate. Hand cream. Bottom right in the flyer. Then I think the robot is repeating meaningful question. Energy bar. No. Hand cream. Would you like a tea bag? No. Then I think unfortunately the remaining time is 0. So the time is up for this session. So the next session is also a little bit similar. Pointing gesture to the flyer. Please give me this. So the customer showing the pointing gesture on the flyer, then pointing at a kind of instant noodle. Then the robot have to understand the pointing gestures. So the customer is now waiting for the response from the robot. Software bags. Okay. This session, the robot gave up to proceed to generate the right questions. So the next session is 16 sessions. The remaining session is just 5 sessions among 20 sessions. Okay. So restart is okay. Okay.
Not yet.
Not yet. はい。By the way, according to the regulation, if the number of questions from the robot exceed 5, the robot cannot get the score. And each number of questions from the robot less than 5 increase the score of the target session. So it means that if the number of questions was one, just one question is succeeded to identify the product, the robot get the 5 point. I forgot the calculation algorithm, but the remaining time and the number of questions is the main factor to calculate the score to get the robot software. So now we are now waiting for the restart of the participant software system. Is okay? Hi. Let's restart from the next session, number 16. Okay, 5. This time the request, I would like the green tea bag don't contain matcha. So it is the don't contain no matcha. So the robot have to not biased to matcha keyword. Would you like hojicha tea bags then? Yeah, no hojicha. I'd like to get the normal green tea. No. Would you like genmaicha bag instead? No. It's also not my intent. My intent is green tea. Would you like green tea bags without matcha? What? Hojicha? Yeah. No. The robot make a not question. Make a question to question. Yeah. Matcha or hojicha? You should identify because I cannot understand. Yeah. Without matcha or hojicha, yes. Yes, I said. Please do not repeat my question. Would you like oyocha tea bag then? Oyocha is the name of the product, then I push yes. I still cannot understand the meaning of 1000. But oyocha is the name of the Japanese tea product. Then this time the robot succeeded to identify the target through several times of questions. Yes. Okay. Then this time, according to the number of questions, the robot got 12 points. So the next question. I want a string for packing. String for package some box. My daily life goods, not the drink, food, snacks. You can see the screen, the bottom right side, the string. This is my intent. Then the robot, would you like a logo packing? A rope, string, rope, rope. Maybe. My honest answer is maybe, but this time I push yes. Then how to understand the string or rope? From the general public, I made a request using string, then return with the rope is not so friendly conversation. Okay, this time the robot succeeded to identify. Okay, the next session showing the package picture. Please give me this, the same one. But the product catalog doesn't contain this aspect, the robot have to understand. Would you like me to assist you in finding a specific product from the list? Yeah. Why I have to assist you? You should assist me. No. You are the service robot, so you should make a good service. I push. Answer no. Would you like calorie mate blog or calorie mate? Calorie mate blog or calorie mate? Very strange question. Yeah, calorie mate or calorie mate? Yeah, I need calorie mate. From the viewpoint of logical question, yes is my question. I need calorie mate. So I push yes. But of course, as you can see, next question. Which one would you like? Calorie mate blog or calorie mate? Yeah. I don't know is my honest answer. Calorie mate is my request. I don't know. I cannot understand. Would you like me to suggest a product from the list you choose? Yeah. Suggest product from the list for you to choose from? Yeah, I already suggest. No. Please get my request product. This is my answer to you. This is the opinion from the customers. So then next question from the robot is waiting. The customer is waiting, but the response from the robot is still missing. Do you have any problem of the participant side? Anyway, the remaining time is about 25 seconds, so it might be better to wait for the time up.
Yeah, maybe we need to
Wait.
we need to make a time up.
Okay. Hi. Okay, the time up. Then we should go to the next session. The next session, 19th session. Please give me the salt flavored seasoning in the blue package. Salt flavored seasoning means the soy sauce. But the expression is very vague. Would you like Kikkoman soy sauce? Oh yeah, soy sauce. Soy sauce is the my request. Then I push yes. But soy sauce has a different several type of sauces in this convenience store. So I don't know whether the robot identify my request because so many type of soy sauces. Only this time, fortunately, the robot can select the target. Okay, then this session, the robot got the score 18. Point is 80. So this is the last session. Would you like product? But please give me the regular version, not the strawberry flavored one. The showing the picture is a specialized one, I think. But the customer is now aiming to get the normal, regular one showing at the right bottom. But unfortunately, this time the customer has the sample of the specialized version, so the robot have to identify the type of the product, but select the different type of the flavor. So whether the robot can understand the type of the taste, flavor, or not, this is the point of this session. So now the robot is thinking, and pleasing. So what is now going?
Maybe our program can understand text-based request, but the image request is not now supported.
Ah, really?
Yeah, we use the Google Lens, but there are many information, so we can't target what the customer needs. Really.
Hmm.
So now maybe loading.
Hi. Okay. So I think this time the robot cannot generate the suitable questions from the product, so we have to wait for the time up session, I think. And this is the last session among the 20 sessions. So I think the 136 is the score, total score of the triangles. So through all the session, do you have any comments or some from the viewpoint of the participant? Which is the most difficult problem and question?
Maybe the trick.
Could you close your mic? もうちょっと。はい。
Maybe trick request like this. There is the normal type of the product. Like the trick request is the most difficult for our team.
I see. And the figure and some picture is a little bit difficult to understand. Okay. Hi, and all the 20 session has passed. So thank you for your challenging. And the total score is 136. Okay, thanks. Triangles.
Thank you.
Hi, nice try. Okay, so then let's have a little break, and the next team is Erasers from Tamagawa University, Japan. The second team will start from 3:10. So we have 15 minutes break. After the 15 minutes break, we will continue from the second team, Erasers, from 3:10. 3:10. Okay. So see you 15 minutes later. So let's have a break. So the YouTube live stream is continued. So please stay tuned and please come back to the screen at 3:10. Okay. See you later. I'm organizer of this competition. Then let's start from the second team. But again, I'd like to briefly introduce what this competition aims and today's competition's regulation. So I'd like to switch the screen to explain about today's task. Can you see the screen? Yes. Can you see the screen of the PowerPoint? Right? Okay. Hi. This competition named WRS Future Convenience Store Challenge in Cyberspace, and this competition aims to realize realize the intelligent robot that can work in the convenience store to deal with the customers who request using the very vague instructions in daily life environment. So the day one, today's task is named Interactive Customer Service. Can you see the screen? Okay. Then in this task, the customer, virtual customer avatar requests the virtual robot using very vague expression like please bring me some tea. But the type of the tea is not specified, like a oolong tea or green tea or black tea or straight tea, lemon tea, no information. So the robot guesses what is the intent and the target of the customer using the database of the product and make a natural and friendly response to identify the customer's request. And sometimes the customer using the gestures or pictures, please give me the same product of this one, showing the product or flyer or gesture pointing. Then robot have to consider both of the natural language and the pictures and gestures using the customer. Okay. Then of course to deal with such a vague instruction, the robot have to make some smart conversation. So the robot can make a question, simple question to the customers, and the customer can answer with a very simple question like a yes or no, closed question. Okay? Then this is how to deal with how to generate and how to deal with such a conversational customer service. Then that is the reason why we have a virtual competition, not using the physical one. Okay? Then all the teams has the same question, same sentence, same request from the virtual avatar. And we are evaluating how many questions is required to identify the target or how much time is required to identify. Both of the consumed time and the number of questions is the main factor to calculate the target score of the competition. Okay. So the second team is usual erasers from Tamaga University, Japan. Switching the usual erasers. Then the screen is okay? No? What kind of screen is displayed? PDF. Wow. How about the screen is right? Okay? Okay. Hi. Please start the robot software and let's start the competition system. Operate please. Okay. Okay, so this is the first request. The competition consists of 20 sessions. Each session has one request. So this is the first request from the customer. Please give me this biscuit. The screen shows is the customer's intent. The bottom right one is showing the target. And now the robot is making a question. Takenoko 1000, what you want? Takenoko. Takenoko is one of the product name, but this is not my intent, so I push button. No. Answer no is sent. Is 21 MT Kinoko what you want? Yeah, this is not my intent. So I push no. Is 19 Pocky? I don't know why this robot tends to use something ID number, but Pocky is also not my intent. So I push no. Is Pocky 1000? I'm still using the same question. So I push no. Because I think the Pocky or some other keyword is the product, but the product name I want to get is Bisco, showing in the right bottom. Is 15 Topo 1000? Yeah, it's still not my intent. So I think the strategy of this robot is more just repeat the simple question to more scanning all the product list, I think. So I push no. Is blah blah choco chip blah blah blah? No. So as you can see, it is a very simple strategy of the robots. Just repeat the simple question to scanning the product database. So I pushing no. It is not my intent. Blah blah blah. So as you can see, this is a very not a smart conversation. So I believe that robot cannot get the score because the number of questions is too much. White 1000. Yeah, no. Not chocolate. Not DARS. So I think the robot is facing to some troubles to identify the product name using the picture. Ghana Milk 1000, it is also not my intent. So I will push so many no's. It's super, then the time is up. But because each session has 3 minutes, then if the robot cannot identify the target within 3 minutes, the session is over to go to the next session. So this is the second session. The right bottom showing the intent of the customers. The sentence is, please give me spicy curry roux. So curry roux is my intent, showing at the bottom or right screen. Then robot have to identify the product using both natural language and the picture showing at the bottom right side. Then now still the robot response is not given. Then the customer is waiting. So please proceed my request. This is the current status.
リスタートします。
Okay. Then I heard the participant software, robot software faced some software problem, then stop. So in that case, the technical program, we continue from the next session. Now, of course, the target session, in this case, the session number 2, was skipped. Then, no, please. Then going to the next session from number 3. Okay. Then in this case, the intent is the blue product showing at the right bottom, but the customer is showing a different picture. Please give me this chewing gum, specifically the one in the blue color, but showing the purple one. And the question from the robot is 13 chlorate to 1000 what you want? Chlorate is one of the product name, but it is not my intent because the product name is Lotte Kiselitol. No, I answered no, but the robot is now getting a product. Yeah. I answered no, but I don't know. But the robot got the different product. As you can see, the left bottom, the robot intent is taking the different type of the chewing gum. Then this time the robot failed to identify the product. Okay, so unfortunately the robot cannot get the point. So the next session, fourth session, I would like a tissue box with picture of dogs on it, as shown in the right bottom, the box type tissue, which depicted the dog face. So both of the keyword written in the text dogs and the picture showing the dog, both of the information is given to the robot. So the robot maybe identified is based on the customer's request for the tissue box with picture of dogs on it and the fact that the customer is Japanese. What you want? I don't understand that sentence. It's based on the customer's request for the tissue box with the picture and the fact that the customer is Japanese. yeah. But Japanese or not is not the context in the context. But I request the tissue box with dogs. So maybe this is my answer. Yes. The sentence generated by the robot is a little bit difficult for me, but I answered yes. So I need a tissue box. I prefer tissue box with dog picture. Then I pushed yes to answer to the robot request. Then hi. Restart?
Restart.
Okay, I heard the software of the robot faced to some troubles. So we skip the current stage session and going to the next session. The next session is the fifth session.
じゃあ始めます。
はい。The software is restarted. And starting from the fifth session. The fifth session is showing the picture of the bottle of water and give me a bottle of water similar to this. But this is the same as a sample question. The organizer already distributed to all the participants the sample question, sample session. So this is identical to the sample session. So I believe the robot have to clear this session. Is based on the customer's request for a bottle of water similar to the one shown in this image. What you want? Yeah, very strange repetition of the question. Yes. In this case, the robot repeat my question. What you want? Yeah. Of course. You don't need to repeat my question, but this was my question. So I pushed answer. Then how to respond to my answer yes. Hi. This time also the robot faced to some software troubles. Then skip the client stage and going to the next session. Yeah. I expected that the session was the same as the sample session. So I believe the robot have to make clear, but I don't know, but some software troubles
始めます。
was occurred. So the next session is number 6. The right bottom, some Japanese snack, chocolate snack is the target. I'd like the chocolate in a hexagonal package, please. So this is a typical Japanese snack packaged in the very unique shape, the hexagonal package. So the customer used the keyword hexagonal. Then the point of this session is how to understand the hexagonal and identify the target. Actually, before starting the competition, the organizers distribute the database with the 3D model and the name of the product. Then the generation of the robot is based on the customer's request for the chocolate in a hexagonal package and consider the image provided. What you want? So I think the participant software faces some troubles and the repetition of the simple my question and add the sentence. What you want? So, yeah. My honest feeling is, yeah, you don't need to repeat my question. So that was my question. But yes, I push the yes button. Yes, that was my request. So, if the robot's behavior is reasonable, the robot have to look up the same product in the product database with the hexagonal picture. But unfortunately, this time the software of the robot also faced some troubles or some bugs. Then the participant gave up this session, and we should go to the next session. The next session starts from 7. Hi, 7th session is showing the instant noodle, but the intent is the right bottom one, the green package, but the customer showing the red one. Please give me the udon version of this instant noodle. So actually, the red one is not udon type, soba type. The robot response is donbei udon 1000. What you want? Yes, udon type. Donbei is the name of the product, so I push yes. Yeah, I need a udon version. So my answer is yes. So I push yes. Then robot start to get the product. So whether the robot can get the right things or not. Then the screen shows the left bottom showing the robot intent. So the right side and left side, the target is identified. Then this time the robot get the point to succeed, identify the intent. So next one, please get the soap from the shelf. Just soap. But so many soap are provided in this convenience store. And this time, the left bottom showing the intent of the customer. But there is several types of this soap. The robot generation is Sekisui whitewashing cream. What you want? Yeah, not cream. I need a soap. So I push no. My intent is not cream. So I push no. The next question is Sekisui Sengan 1000. What do you want? I guess what the robot want to say, because I'm Japanese, but from the viewpoint of the public general, this is very vague. I push no. I don't know the keyword. I need a soap. In Nivea cream, blah blah blah. But it is also not my intent, so I push no. I need a soap showing at the bottom right. Is Nivea Soft 1000 you want? No. I think now the robot is repeating the simple question to scanning all the product name, I think. Uno, Sram, blah blah blah. I don't know. What I cannot understand what you are saying. So I push I don't know. I have 3 options, yes or no, or I cannot understand. I don't know. Is awabi already 3,000? What you want? Yeah, awa means the form salt. Then I guess, so BORA is the name of the product. So I guess you are identifying my intent. So I push yes. So whether or not, then fortunately the robot cannot identify the right things. The left side and right side of image are identified. Okay, so the robot got the right object. Congratulate. Okay, next session. Please give me the seafood noodle showing the picture, but this convenience store has so variety of seafood noodle. There's several type of the maker. So the robot have to identify which product. The generation is cup noodle seafood 1000. What you want? Cup noodle. Cup noodle is the one of the product name, but I intend the different one. So I push no. Instant noodle, but no cup noodle. The next question is 7 tapuriguzai seafood noodle 3,000 blah blah blah. Yeah, but this is also very vague and unfriendly sentence for the public if the customer is not Japanese. But seven means a kind of a type of the company, and 7-Eleven Holdings provide the seafood noodle. So I guess the robot aiming to get the 7-Eleven's instant noodle. So I pushed yes. So whether the robot intent is identical or not. Then this time, hi, the right figure and the left figure are identified. Then the task was succeeded, I think. Hi, the robot got 16 points in this time. Okay. Hi, next is 10th session. Just half of the 20 sessions. Please give me this. So this time the customer showing the real product, but showing the different aspect from the database. The database is the right bottom. So the robot have to estimate the different aspect is showing. Donbei udon 1000. Yeah, Donbei udon. Yeah, no udon instant. I need chewing gums. Is Donbei soba? Yeah, no noodle. I need chewing gums. I push no. I guess the robot is now falling in some minimum localization to focusing on some instant noodle. Repeating the different categories. I need chewing gums, but the robot always suggests the instant noodle. Akai kitsune blah blah blah. No, I need gum, chewing gums. But robot repeats to suggest different category. Yeah, no. So I repeat to push no. Sumire, what you want? No. I don't know. I cannot understand the meaning. Santoka, I might be able to understand, but this is the name of the instant noodle. So I don't know why, but the robot is now pouring in some local minimum to focusing on the instant noodle. I don't know. But I think to understand the image of the showing picture at the central part, then I guess the robot is misunderstood that is instant noodle category. Then so many repetition of the different and strange suggestion. Is cup noodle seafood? No. So, まあ、so many ね、meaningful, not meaningless conversation is repeated. So, if the number of conversation exceed 5, the robot cannot get any point. So many unfriendly conversation was repeated. So this time, unfortunately, robot cannot identify. Hi, the next session, 11 sessions. The customer showing the screenshot of the mobile phone. I need this product, showing some Amazon screenshot. I need this seasoning. Please give me the similar product to this. This is a typical situation showing the smartphone. I want to get this product. Do you have? But this time, the robot pays to program. Okay. Then we should go into the next session. So, this competition is conducted in the cyberspace, virtual space. So we don't focusing on the evaluation of the physical function, but such a intelligent conversation is the main target. So I expect to all the participants to identify such a vague and multimodal request. So next session is 12. My child wants the grape flavored candy. Please get it. And the intent of the customer is showing at the bottom right side. The Chupa Chups type, the candy. Then the robot is now thinking to select the target. Actually, this convenience store has several, 7 or 8 types of candies. Grape flavor or strawberries or mint type, chocolate type. So many flavors are provided. So the task of this session is to identify the target flavor from several kind of type of taste. But still the robot response is not coming. The customer is waiting. So some software troubles. Hi. Okay. Unfortunately, the software troubles also occurred. Oh, robot give up. Okay, then next session. Let's go into the next session. Is it right? 12をスキップしたんでしょ。で13に行ってるから何もしなくていいんだよね。ちょ待って。タスクを来たので13にやります。でしょ。だ13をやるんだよね。ごめんちょっと理解できてない。12をスキップして13に行くんだよね。ですけどコントロール C した時にリスタートしないといけない状態。13からリスタートするのね。はい。じゃあ行きましょう。これで大丈夫ですか。13からのリスタートになってる。13から始めるんですね。12をパスするんだよね。So please wait for a moment. The software troubles were occurred and we are now going to restart from 13th session. So from 13.
Okay. 大丈夫ですね。はい。
Okay. Hi. 13 sessions. The request is please give me a refill pack of the toilet cleaner showing at the right bottom side of the screen. Then actually the convenience store has two type of the toilet cleaner, the refill type and the bottle of cleaner. So the robot have to identify the refill pack. Is 7i toilet cleaner 1000? I guess the 7i means the product company's name, but I think that is not my request. My intent is not 7's product, so I push no. is toilet magic clean to me kae 3000 what do you want? まあ magic clean is the name of the product of Japanese company and different type of the seventh company, so I guess yes, magic clean. Hi, so I push yes, maybe instead of maybe. So hi, the robot is now grasping the product showing the left side, then right side and left side the image is identical, then the robot got the point in this session. Hi, congratulate. Okay. Hi, the next session is very difficult instruction. Please get the item at the bottom right corner of this flyer. The customer showing the flyer. Then flyer shows these 9 products and using the text bottom right corner. The robot question is Donbi soba, what you want? Yeah, no, Donbi. I need a hand cream, mitigated cream, so I push no. And I think Donbi instant noodle is not displayed on the flyer. And despite I answer no, but the robot is now getting some product. Yeah, I answer no. Your identification is not my intent, but the robot is now getting the different instant noodle. I don't know, but the robot believes was very strong to focusing on the instant noodle. But I think there's some misunderstanding of the flyer, image understanding. Hi, okay. The next session is still the same image understanding. Please give me this. And the customer showing the flyer and pointing at the certain product, the instant noodle. Okay? The robot question is Donbi udon 1000? What do you want? Then actually the customer is pointing at the instant noodle, but it is not udon type, but ramen type. And the software bugs occurred. Hi. So that is another type of the instruction request, showing the flyer with the pointing gestures. I believe that so many participant team use the GPT or OpenAI API. So, but the combination of the product list and the instruction of the text message and showing gestures or pictures, the combination of such a current input and the existing product list is the key point. So next session, I would like green tea bags don't contain matcha. So not matcha. The sentence generated by the robot is Oyocha tea bag 1000 what you want? Oyocha is the name of the product. So yeah. So it doesn't contain the matcha. Oyocha is my intent. So I push yes this time. So then the robot is now getting the same identical product of the user's intent. Okay, this time, hi, the robot got the point. Hi, congrats, great. Hi, the next session, 17th session. I want a string for packing. Showing at the bottom right side, there's some string for the baggage packing. Then the robot have to identify the target product just using the image. The generation from the robot is row 1000 what you want. But I use the string, but the robot use the answer using rope. String and rope is similar, so I think maybe. So I push yes. Okay, then now the left side, the image is the robot's intent is identical to the avatars, customers in them. So this session, the robot got the point. Hi, okay, great. So remaining session is just 3 among the 20 sessions. The 18th session is, please give me this, showing just a product image and identify the target. So robot's response is donbe udon what you want? Yeah, donbe is an instant noodle. So no category. So I need calorie meat, one of the snack. So I push no. That is not my intent. Is donbe soba? No. Software bags? Hi. Okay. Hi. Software bags occurred. Okay, just let's start from the next session, 19th session. Hi, next session is, please give me the salt flavor seasoning in the blue package showing at the bottom right side. But this means the soy sauce. But the customer using the key phrase salt flavor seasoning. And additionally, this session has some big instructions. Blue package, but the intent is blue, not blue, but the purple. So this customer needs to use the keyword not purple, but used blue. Is Kikkoman soy sauce what you want? Then yeah, soy sauce is the my intent. Then in this case, I push yes instead of maybe. So now robot is getting a product. So whether identify the intent or not. So this time left side is showing the robot intent. It is identical to the user's intent. So, okay, the robot got the point in this session. Okay, hi. Then the next session is the last and the most difficult session. Request. The request from the customer is, I would like the product, but please give me the regular version, not the strawberry flavor one. The pink, purple showing at the central part of the screen is the showing by customer, but the intent is the right bottom. So the robot have to identify the difference. The robot question is cup noodle what you want? Yeah, not cup noodle. I need chocolate. I show you chocolate, so I answer no. My guess the robot software misunderstood to recognize the picture to instant noodle or cup noodle. Cup noodle curry taste. No. I need chocolate snack, not instant noodle. Is 7 blah blah blah? Still, my answer is no. My guess the same situation I often face to such some strange behavior of the robot is facing and focusing on some category of the instant noodle. So no. I need chocolate. I want to get the chocolate, but you always suggest cup noodle or instant noodle, ramen or soba. I don't need a cup noodle. I prefer sweets, snack, chocolate. So I think the robot is falling on some local minimum to focusing on some noodle category. So robot have to escape from such a local minimum to switch this focusing on the chocolate snack. But unfortunately, we're still keeping the same meaningless conversation. Yeah, I cannot understand what you want to say. Then unfortunately, the number of questions exceed 5, then this session the robot cannot get any point, I think. And I still repeat to push, say no, no, no. And each session has just 3 minutes. So additionally, not only the number of questions, but this session exceed 3 minutes. So just 10 minutes. I answered no, but robot started to get something product. I might think the robot detected limited time is just 3 minutes, 3 seconds. So robot started to get something product, but unfortunately, this last session, the robot cannot identify the request of the customers. Okay, so all the session, 20 session was over, then total score was 113. Just less than the first team, triangulars. So currently the erasers got the second position among 3 teams. Okay, hi, thank you for your contribution. And do you have any comments for some software bugs or some strange behavior of the robots to repeat the cup noodle? Hi, Japanese okay?
ちゃんとしたものが分からなかった場合に、なんていうか、ランダムでそういうふうに少なくとも15個出すようにしてくださいっていう命令に書いてます。それに引っかかった場合に多分、このインスタントヌードルのラッシュが起こる。
Hi. Hi, he says the strategy of the eraser was if the robot face to some misunderstanding situation that the image recognition or identify the product is missing or vague, in that case, the very simple strategy to generate the simple question from the random list from the product. So some random seed is focusing or bias to the instant noodle categories, cup noodles. Then such a meaningless request was repeated, he says. Okay. Anyway, thank you for your contribution and congratulate to get 113 points. Okay. Hi. So, nice try to the interactive customer service. The eraser session was over. Thanks. Okay, the next session is the third team, Tam Home from Kyushu Institute of Technology. So, then, according to the regular schedule, the next session will start the 4:20, but the session was a little bit earlier ended. So how about taking 15 minutes break and restart from 4:10? How about? Okay? Okay, let's take a 15 minutes break and the next session will start from 4:10. 4:10. Okay. The live streaming is also still continued and come back to 4:10. We will restart the last team. Tam Home from Kyushu Institute of Technology from 4:10. Okay, let's take a 15 break. See you later. Bye. Hi. So then the competition named WRS Future Convenience Store Challenge in cyberspace will start the last team trial. Our competition is now starting just nearby the Gundam figure, the central part of the Icon Expo. And I am the organizer of Tetsunarina from Tamaga University. Okay, so before starting the third theme, I'd like to briefly explain the aim of this competition and the task of today's competition. So please wait a moment. Yush. Is screen is right or the my showing the one? Is it okay? Hi. So this competition is named Future Convenience Store Challenge in Cyberspace, and this competition aims to realize a very intelligent service robot that work in the convenience store to deal with the customer service. Okay. Then the reasons why we focusing on the virtual space, cyberspace in virtual reality is not focusing on the physical function like a grasping, navigation, or manipulation, but to focusing on the interactive, intelligent conversation with very vague and unfriendly customers. The customer is always suggest and request using a very vague expression like please bring me some tea. For example, some tea means it might be oolong tea or green tea, black tea, so many kind of tea. But the robot have to identify the request and the intent of the customers. And sometimes the customer uses some gestures or point flyer or some figure like this. So how to deal with such a very vague and uncertain request? That is the main target of this competition. So then the robot can receive such a request from the customers. Then robot can also generate a question to identify whether the robot intent is the same as the customer's request using the closed type question. Then the customer, actually I am acting as a customer in the cyberspace. I can answer to the robot question with yes or no question, or I don't know. Then real time, I respond to the robot questions to help the robot identification. Okay, so the last team is the Tam at Home from Kyushu Institute of Technology. Okay, so switch back to the screen. The last team is Tam Home from Kyushu Institute of Technology. Okay, so the team is ready for start. Okay. Hi. The session consists of 20 sessions. But each session has a time limit with 3 minutes. So if the number of questions generated from the robot is so many times, of course the evaluation became to be wrong. Yes, please start this session. Hi, this is the screen of the virtual space in the convenience store, and the first session request is please give me this biscuit. But the natural language is please give me biscuit from the users, customers, and the customer showing the picture, showing the screen of the central part, the red type of the snack, the biscuit snack. Then robot is now thinking to identify the target. Oh, there is no conversation. The robot is now getting some product. Oh, you're very nice. The robot doesn't need any conversation or request. please give me this biscuit is enough information for the robots. Then robot succeeded to identify the target. Oh, nice, very nice. Without no conversation is the highest score. Then the session is going to the second. Second request from the customer is please give me spicy curry roux. Curry roux. And the intent of the customer is showing at the bottom right of the screen. And this time the robot request. You ordered golden curry, two color, two. I don't know the meaning of the two color, but golden curry. Golden curry. Yeah, this is I guess this is one of the product name, but I think this is not my intent because my intent doesn't contain golden curry. So I push no. The next question from the robot is you order Java curry two color? Yeah, no. This is not my intent, Java curry. You ordered Barmon curry two color? Yeah, no. Because the picture shown in the right bottom is not the Barmon curry, blah blah blah. So this is also not my intent. So I push no. So I guess that now robot is repeating to scanning a product list to sending so many questions from the product list. You order 7 kokutomami curry to kara. 7 indicates some product name. So to honestly, my opinion is maybe. So instead of maybe, I answer yes. So the next point is whether the robot can get the same one or not. Then left side is the robot intent and it is identified to the right side customer's intent. Oh, fail wrong product. Yeah, so ne, two color. So I couldn't understand two color, but several type of the spicy level was exist. So I couldn't understand two color. Okay. Anyway, let's go to the next session. Please give me this chewing gum. Specifically, the one is the blue color. The right bottom side is my intent, but the customer showing the picture with different color, purple color, is showing as a sample, but the request is not this color, but I need a blue one. But please give me the same type of the chewing gum. So the robot have to identify the category, the product name of the chewing gum, but change the color. Select the different color. Oh, there is no conversation. The robot started to get a certain product. So there's 3 type of color: green, blue, purple. So the customer says, not this one, but blue one. But unfortunately, the robot got green one. So unfortunately, the robot failed to identify the target. But very active strategy without no conversation, no confirmation. The robot tried to get a certain product. So next session, fourth session, I would like the tissue box with picture of dogs on it. Oh, this time also the robot doesn't make any question. No question, no conversation. Just going to get the, oh, very nice. Without no question, no conversation, but the robot succeeded to identify the target. This is identical to customer's intention. Hi, task completed. Very congratulations. The robot got a very higher number of points. Okay, fifth session, next one is get me a bottle of water similar to this with showing a product picture. Actually, this is the same as the sample question. the organizer have already provided as a sample before this competition. So I believe that robot have to clear this problem question because this is the identical to the sample question. So now the robot is thinking whether going to get the product without question or generate, or this time generation. The water category has Irohas and 700 blah blah 55 milliliter. You ordered Irohas? Yeah, Irohas is my intention. So the robot now confirm the type of the product. So I push yes. I need Irohas. But I don't know the size of the bottle because Iroha-san 7. I received the question 7 or Irohas. Then I select Irohas. Hi, task completed. Yeah, the robot succeeded to identify. It might be nice question. So next session 6. I'd like the chocolate in a hexagonal package, please. So this is a very typical Japanese chocolate snack, but the package is a very unique shape, the hexagonal package. Oh, this time the robot also doesn't need compensation question. We just directly select some chocolate. But unfortunately, this package is not hexagonal shape. Very simple, square type. So fail. Very aggressive strategy without no question, no compensation. But unfortunately, robot failed to identify the target object. So next 7th session, please give me the udon version of this instant noodle, showing the red type of the instant noodle, but the intent is showing at the bottom right side, the green type. Green type is udon version, and this red one is soba type. Is your order item category cup ramen? Yeah, no ramen type. I need udon version, I said. So my answer is no ramen. I prefer udon type. Is your ordered item category cup yakisoba? Cup yakisoba is also another kind of instant noodle, but I said udon. I said udon, so my answer to this question is no. Is your order item category donbei? Donbei is a name, identical name of the product. Yeah. My answer is donbei, but donbei udon. So just answer to this question is yes, because you order item category donbei, so I need donbei, but udon type. So the next question, the donbei category has donbei soba and donbei udon. You order donbei soba? Yeah, no. I said udon, so my answer is no, not soba, but udon. Then robot try to get something product, so whether get the udon type or not, green or not. Okay, the left side, the showing the robot's intent, the green type, udon type. So it is identical to the customer's intent. So congratulate, the robot got the score. Yeah. Hi. Nice try and nice performance. Hi, next session, 8th session is please get the soap from the shelf. Just soap. But this convenience store has several type of the soap, like a corn type or solid type. The hand soap category has Awa Biore and me use you ordered Awa Biore. So in this time, the question from the robot is showing the two product name, and my intent is Biore is one of the product names, so I answer yes because the right bottom showing the Biore soap. So I answer yes. さあ then robot succeeded to get the identical product, right? Well, this time it's also the very nice performance. So the next session is ninth session. A request from the customer is please give me this seafood noodle with showing the picture. But this convenience store also has two type of seafood noodle provided by two companies, different type of seafood instant noodle. So the robot have to recognize there's a two candidate and to identify which is the user's intent. But the robot started to get some items without any confirmation. Oh, but fortunately, I think this is just in chance. The robot selected the target product just in chance. Very lucky. Hi. The next session is 10th session. But this competition has 20 sessions, so this is the last session of the first half. Please give me this, just showing the product. But the showing aspect is the different aspect from the database, product database. So the robot have to identify this aspect is the same product from the different aspect showing the product in the list. But unfortunately, the robot got a very, very different product. I guess this is the some brush teeth brush paste. So unfortunately, robot cannot select. Okay, next is the one of the typical situation in the store. The customer showing the screenshot of the Amazon's product, screenshot of the smartphone. So please give me a similar product to this. Then screenshot of the Amazon is without the box, but the product list is included in the box. Then the robot is starting to get something product without any conversation, any questions. So, oh, very nice. The left bottom is showing the product grasped by the robot. It is identical to the user's intent. So, robot got a very high number of scores in this session. Okay, next, the request from the customer is, my child wants a grape flavored candy, please get it. So, this store has several, I think 7 or 8 type of candy. So, grape flavor, strawberry flavor, chocolate flavor, so many flavors. So is it possible to select the same picture? Left side is robot one, right side is a user's intent. Yeah, robot succeeded. So many, this term home, the robot tends to avoid any conversation question. So next session, request is please give me a refill pack for toilet cleaner. Toilet cleaner has 2 types. Or this time also robot doesn't need questions. Refill type or bottle type. Then this time also the robot succeeded to get the identical object. Hi, very nice, without any conversation questions. So then so the next is very difficult. Showing a flyer. Please get an item at the bottom right corner of this flyer. Just showing the flyer and we're using the keyword bottom and right. So the robot have to identify and focusing on the one of the product among 9 products. Bottom right corner. So now robot is thinking whether generate questions or without any questions. So the target is the kind of cream, hand cream, mediated cream. Unfortunately, yeah, very similar. The category is the same, the cream, hand cream, but the colors, product is different. So this time, unfortunately, Robert couldn't get any point. So next is also using flyer with pointing gesture. Please give me this. The customer pointing a flyer with pointing finger, showing some instant noodle. So whether the robot recognize the target shown in the pointing gesture. Because instant noodle is one of the famous product in the convenience store. Oh, without any conversation, confirmations, the robot started to get a product. So whether is it better? Is it? Soね. Veryね. The pointing gesture is the upper side, but the robot mistook to understand the bottom side of the flyer. So if the robot made some confirmation of questions, it might be succeeded, but unfortunately failed. So the next request is I would like green tea bags don't contain matcha. So using the don't contain. So if the robot face to matcha, it might be mistake. You ordered oi ocha tea bag? Yeah, oi ocha is the name of the product. And my intention is oi ocha. So I push yes button to answer to this question. Okay, this time the robot also succeeded to identify the tea bag. I congratulate. So the total score is now 186, the highest score among the three teams. Next is I want a string for packing, showing the right bottom side on the screen. Oh, this time also the robot doesn't need any question, confirmation. Oh, very nice performance. The Tom Home has a very nice and the best performance among three teams. This time also, yeah, got the highest score, 20 in the session. So the next is, please give me this, showing some packages. But the aspect is a little bit different from the product database. So the key point is to identify the different aspect, even though the product list is captured in front of the product. Well, this time also the robot doesn't need questions. But this calorie mate has a different type of taste. So, but I guess the robot selection was identified. Okay, very nice, very nice. So last two sessions. This is a 19th session. The request from the customer is please give me the salt flavor seasoning in the blue package. A little very vague expression because salty flavor seasonings has a sort of variety of candidate, but the robot. Oh, but unfortunately, this is not my intent. Seasoning, but it might not be the salt flavors. I intend soy sauce, but the robot got the different seasoning. Hi, this is the last session and a very difficult and complicated request. I'd like to this product, but please give me the regular version, not the strawberry flavor one. Showing the pink, purple product, showing the central part of the screen, but the intention of the customer is showing at the bottom right side, the yellow package. So the robot has to identify the category or type of the chocolate, but select not the strawberry flavor.
どっか行っちゃったよ
So the point is,
テレビの前の人わかんないから
oh, so but this is very similar. Japanese can understand. The right side showing the screen and the left side showing the screen is very similar, but a different product. Both of the chocolate snack, but the type is a little bit different. So unfortunately, the last session the robot couldn't get point, but among the three teams, the Tom Home was the best performance. They got the 226 points, the best performance. Okay, so I'd like to ask us some comments from the
コメントして
participant. Hi, what was the strongest point? Why you got so high quality points?
We use GPT OP, and so we estimate the main category and subcategory and item names for in order. In this case, so system estimate the sweets and the chocolate and what is the specific item in this image. So the GPT can correctly estimate the some choices for the main category or subcategory. So the highest accuracy is point.
Okay, hi, thanks. As you may imagine easily, this task is supported by some recent generative AI technology like LLM, and using sentence and picture is one of the standard resource to input the LLM, but we are aiming to enhance this task to more multimodal and more realistic task using the real convenience environment. So, as shown in the QR code in the screen, we are now planning to organize the digital twin type competition, bridging between real convenience store and the virtual convenience store in this autumn, November 2024, supported by World Robot Summit. So please check the QR code to next call for participants to enhance and improve the quality of the interactive customer service robot working on not only in cyberspace but real space. Okay, so please check and stay tuned at the WRS competition for the convenience store challenge. Okay, anyway, thank you for the contribution from the three teams. Thank you again for the day one. Thank you. And tomorrow is day two. Day two, tomorrow we will have another task named Future Convenience Store Proposal. Proposal of the intelligent and friendly and natural customer service product, not using such a regularized competition task, but all the team will make a presentation, demonstration, how to realize the future service in convenience store using the robot technology, cyber technology, digital twin technology, virtual reality technology, and so on. So that tomorrow we will have such a presentation type competition task from 3 p.m., 3 o'clock at the same position, same here. So please come here again at 3 p.m. tomorrow. I think the 3 p.m. is a coffee break of the ICRA session. So please get your coffee and please drop off here to hear the nice presentation. Okay, So thank you again and see you tomorrow. はい。